Hey everybody, I'm here today with a Ryobi battery tutorial. I'll be showing you and telling you how to charge the battery, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is the battery that I'm talking about. It is the newer style Ryobi battery. It is the long and sort of flat type of battery. This is the newer style. It's the 40-volt lithium battery. So basically, this is how to charge it. It's really easy to do. You're going to have your charger like this over here, and you want to make sure your charger is plugged in to a power source. So you can see this charger is plugged into this electrical cord right here, and there is actually a light on the bottom to sort of tell you that it is indeed working just fine, that the charger has power. So you can see I have a light here that's telling me that the charger has power, and that's letting me know that we can go ahead and proceed to charge the battery. Okay, so basically you're going to take your battery, and it only slides in one way, okay? Now I'm going to show you this before. To remove the battery, there's a lever over here. I'm going to show you how to remove it momentarily, but I'm just going to show you that this lever, this button is over here. When I talk about the button or lever, this is what I'm referring to over here. Okay, so to charge the battery, you want to take it, get it into position, make sure it's in the right orientation, and then just basically, and it only goes in one sort of way because of the shape of the battery. So get it into the correct position and then slide it in place. If you take a look over here, you can see the battery is charging. Very, very simple. Okay, and you can see on the bottom, you have another indicator letting me know everything's sort of working just fine. Okay, and then that's how to charge the battery. And then to remove it, once you're done charging it, you want to press on that button like I said and like I showed you, that lever over there, press and hold it down, and then just slide the battery off just like that. Very, very simple. That is how to charge the battery, and I've also shown you and told you how to remove it as well as an added bonus. Really, really easy to do. I just popped this piece out. I do apologize. I guess I should have been more gentle. But we just put it back in, and as you can see, it's working just fine based on that light there. Once again, to charge it, you just take the battery, click it in place, and you can see right here, the battery is indeed charging, and you can see that other indicator there letting me know that everything is A-OK. So that's basically it. I've shown you how to charge the battery. I've also shown you how to remove it. And yeah, be a little bit more gentle with yours than I was with mine. This is actually my dad's. It's not even mine. This is my dad's. So be a little bit more gentle with yours than I was with my dad's. Anyways, yeah, this is my dad's battery. He has like this newer set of Ryobi tools. I have the older style of Ryobi tools, but I liked his so much that I figured, you know what? I'll borrow them from him to make some video content. So that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.